For years, General Motors owners have debated one issue more than almost any other: V8 lifter failures. Videos, forum discussions, and repair shop reports have documented cases involving certain GM small block V8 engines equipped with cylinder deactivation systems. Naturally, many truck buyers have been asking whether GM's next-generation V8 engines finally solve the problem. The answer is encouraging, but it's important to separate official information from internet speculation. Here's what GM has officially confirmed, what industry experts know today, and why the company's upcoming 6th-generation small block V8 engines could represent one of the biggest reliability improvements in years. Why lifter problems became such a big issue. The lifter concerns primarily affected some versions of GM's Gen 5 small block V8 family, particularly engines using active fuel management, AFM, and later dynamic fuel management, DFM, technology. These systems improve fuel economy by temporarily shutting off selected cylinders during light load driving. While millions of engines have operated successfully with these technologies, some owners experienced lifter failures that could lead to symptoms including ticking noises from the engine, misfires, check engine lights, rough running, in some cases, extensive internal engine repairs. It's important to emphasize that not every AFM or DFM equipped engine develops these issues. Many owners have accumulated well over 150,000 miles without experiencing lifter failure. However, the number of reported incidents was significant enough to make lifter reliability one of the most discussed topics among Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Yukon, and Suburban owners. GM has officially confirmed a new generation of V8 engines. One fact is no longer speculation. General Motors has officially announced major investments to produce its 6th-generation small block V8 engine family. The company committed hundreds of millions of dollars toward manufacturing upgrades at its Tonawanda propulsion plant in New York and Flint engine operations in Michigan. These investments support production of the upcoming Gen 6 small block V8 architecture. GM has confirmed these new engines are intended to deliver improvements in performance, fuel efficiency, emissions compliance, manufacturing quality, long-term support for full-size trucks and SUVs. However, GM has not yet released complete engineering specifications or every mechanical detail of the new engine family. Has GM officially said it eliminated the lifter problem? This is where accuracy matters. GM has not officially stated that the new engines completely eliminate lifter failures. The company has also not released engineering documentation claiming the issue has been permanently solved. Instead, what GM has officially discussed includes a completely new generation of V8 engines, updated manufacturing processes, improved production technology, new emission strategies, better efficiency, continued investment in V8 development. Because these engines are built on an all-new generation, engineers naturally have opportunities to redesign components that have generated warranty claims in previous generations. But until GM publishes detailed technical information, nobody can honestly claim the lifter issue has been eliminated. Why experts believe reliability could improve. Although GM hasn't made sweeping promises, several factors suggest the next-generation engines could offer improved durability. New manufacturing processes. GM's investment includes significant modernization of engine production. Improved machining precision, tighter quality control, and updated assembly equipment can all contribute to more consistent engine quality. Manufacturing improvements often reduce variation between engines, helping minimize the types of issues that sometimes appear over years of production. Redesigned components. A new engine generation rarely carries every internal component unchanged. Historically, each generation of GM's small block V8 engines has introduced updated camshafts, lifters, bearings, oil passages, cylinder heads, cooling systems, valve train components. Even if GM retains cylinder deactivation in some form, engineers have the opportunity to redesign the associated hardware using years of real-world field data. Lessons learned. One advantage of launching a new engine generation is the enormous amount of customer feedback available. Warranty claims, dealer repair data, durability testing, and millions of miles of customer driving provide engineers with valuable information about where improvements are needed. Automakers routinely refine designs based on this feedback, and the Gen 6 program benefits from more than a decade of experience with the Gen 5 platform. Will cylinder deactivation continue? At this point, GM has not officially confirmed every technical feature of the 6th generation V8 lineup. Some reports suggest future engines may continue using advanced fuel-saving technologies, while others speculate about revised cylinder deactivation strategies. Until GM releases official specifications, it is best to avoid claiming that AFM or DFM has been completely removed or fundamentally redesigned. Any statement declaring that the next generation V8 has no cylinder deactivation or no lifters that can fail is currently unsupported by official GM documentation. What this means for Silverado and Sierra buyers. Truck buyers should view the upcoming engines with cautious optimism. The official facts are encouraging. GM continues investing heavily in V8 production rather than abandoning the platform. A completely new engine generation is coming. Manufacturing processes are being modernized. Engineers have years of real-world reliability data to guide improvements. Those are all positive developments. However, true long-term reliability can only be established after the engines accumulate hundreds of thousands or even millions of miles in customer hands. Every new powertrain goes through extensive validation testing, but real-world ownership ultimately determines its reputation. What about current V8 owners? Current owners shouldn't assume their engine is destined to experience lifter failure. Many GM V8s have delivered excellent reliability with proper maintenance. Following the recommended maintenance schedule remains one of the best ways to maximize engine life. Change engine oil at appropriate intervals using the correct specification. Use quality oil filters. Address warning lights promptly. Investigate unusual ticking noises early. Complete any applicable service campaigns or recalls. Routine maintenance cannot prevent every mechanical failure, but it helps reduce unnecessary wear and allows problems to be identified before they become more severe. When will we know the full story? The complete picture will become clearer as GM releases additional technical information and the new engines enter production. Key details still expected include full engine specifications, internal design changes, fuel management strategy, valve train updates, power and torque figures, official durability claims, service information for technicians. Once production vehicles reach customers, independent testing, long-term ownership reports, and fleet data will provide a much stronger understanding of whether the new generation has successfully addressed previous concerns. The bottom line: GM's upcoming 6th generation small block V8 represents one of the company's most significant engine investments in decades. Officially, GM has confirmed a new V8 family supported by major investments in manufacturing, with goals that include improved performance, efficiency, emissions compliance, and production quality. What GM has not officially confirmed is that the new engines completely eliminate lifter failures or abandon cylinder deactivation entirely. Those claims remain speculative until supported by GM's technical documentation. Even so, there are legitimate reasons for optimism. A new engine generation gives GM the opportunity to apply years of engineering lessons, improve manufacturing precision, and refine components that have drawn attention in previous designs. If those improvements translate into stronger real-world durability, the 6th generation V8 could become one of the most reliable truck engines GM has produced. For now, the most accurate conclusion is this: GM has officially confirmed a new generation of V8 engines, and while they are expected to benefit from modern engineering and manufacturing improvements, only long-term customer experience will determine whether long-standing lifter concerns have truly been resolved.